I have this wood sign with black stand. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It measures 13 by 2.5 inches, and I'm going to remove the screws from both the left and right side to remove the piece of wood from the stand. I'm then going to take some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I'm going to paint the wood in white. Once that was dry, I'm going to take my straight edge, and on the right side here, I'm going to mark using the ruler, and I'm going to make 7 little lines. I'm then going to take my straight edge, and I'm going to line it up on the left side here, and I'm also going to make sure that it lands on one of those little dashes we made, and using my Sharpie, I'm going to create some stripes. Now I want these stripes to be very thin, and I'm using this Sharpie marker that seems to be working very nicely. You can also use a paint marker or just black paint. If you do not have a straight edge, you can use some painter's tape to create the lines as well. But because I wanted them so close together, I used the straight edge. Next, I have some wood letters. I'm going to spell the word love. And then I have 5 wood half beads that I'm going to put on a piece of painter's tape. And I'm going to paint my word love with the snow owl. And then I will paint the half beads with some Wise Owl black paint. Now you can pick any colors of your choice. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. And once everything was dry, I have these 4 red hearts. They came from the dollar store. And I'm going to start with a half bead on the left side here and go across the sign, rotating between the half bead and the heart. And then I'm going to glue everything down in place, and I'm using some hot glue. I'm then going to take my word, and I'm going to put 1 letter on each heart. Now you could pick any word of your choice as well. And then I'm going to place it back on the stand. Removing it from the stand just made it easier to decorate. And what's great about this is it's double-sided, so you could pick another word of your choice and decorate the back side. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.